friends, today we are talking about the installation of side view cameras. Okay, look at this. This is our side view cameras. Okay, now let's look its weight. Okay, you can see here about 267 grams. Okay, so when you get our cameras, okay, look at this. Okay, and we take out the cameras. Okay, you can see it includes the side view camera, the screws for fixing the camera on the vehicle, and there's a pad. Okay, you can see. Okay, now let's look at this waterproof side view cameras. It has 12 LEDs and the effective IR distance is about 10 meters. Okay, for the lens, we usually have 2.8 millimeter lens for default. We also have 3.6 millimeter lens for your options. The bigger the lens and the longer distance it can see, but the viewing angle is smaller. So 2.8 millimeter angle is wider than the 3.6. Okay, the next thing that you need to pay attention is the resolution. Okay, we have 720p, 1080p, and analog cameras for your options according to your project requirements. Okay, so let's see when you get this camera, how we install this on the vehicle. Okay, you can see here is 3 screws. Okay, so first we need to unscrew these 3. Okay, anti-clockwise. Okay, this is 3 screws. Okay, and we can see here, you can see the cover, the seat, and the camera board. Okay, so the next step, we need to use this pad. Okay, you can see here. Okay, we stick this to the seat. Okay, it has glue here. Okay, like this. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so this pad is for anti-vibration, or and it can be stick on the vehicle more firmly. Okay. Okay, next we use these screws to fixing the seat on vehicle. Okay, so you can see here 1, 2, 3. Yes, you use the tools to fixing these seats on the vehicle. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, fixing the seat. Okay, then we need to install the camera board to it. Okay, you can see there's a hole, right? Okay, and usually we are wiring the wire inside the vehicle. Okay, okay, and then here is the IR sensor. Okay, usually we align the IR sensor to the button. Okay, like this. Okay, right? Okay, and you can adjust the angles of the camera to best fit the video. Okay, okay, when the camera is fixing, okay, we use the cover to fix the lens. Okay, right here. Okay, then we put these screws to fix. Okay, now the camera is the installation is complete. Okay, and then you will use the extension cable, right, to go inside the vehicle. One side is here, collected here, and the other side you need to collect to the mobile DVR. Okay, so much for the demo. Thanks for watching.